Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie, and I'm getting ready to do a video with you about Emily's room. She, if you watched any of my other videos, she's not real good at organizing. She's always busy. She has a job. She's 16, almost 17, and she works at Home Goods on the Home Goods side, and she has show choir. Last year she had show choir and color guard, and then I have her do chores here. I have her do her own laundry. We have church. Every evening she has something other than like Thursday night, and usually on Thursday and Friday nights she works. So, and Saturdays now is show choir time, so they are doing competitions all day on Saturdays, and then church is Sunday morning and Sunday night, and then we usually do something in the afternoon. So her room, you can only imagine, I filled up about 3 full trash bags of like stuff that she didn't throw away, like, what's it called, price tags of things that she got. She would just like throw off to the side, just stuff that I would have thrown away, like gift bags and things like that, ribbons, bows, things like that. I found old Valentine's Day balloons from last year. I found some gifts in here from Christmas. I found some gifts in here from Valentine's Day. I found some gifts for people that she forgot or didn't have time or never ended up giving away. So it's been interesting, needless to say. So it took me about 20 hours to clean this room and organize it. She had it picked up so like you could walk through, but she had stuff in front of her dresser. You couldn't even get into her dresser. She would just take clean clothes that she washed and stuff them in a duffel bag and hope for the best. And I'd say, well, where is such and such pair of pants? I don't know. And I'd say, where's this jacket? I want to wear this jacket. And she'd be like, I don't know, somewhere in my room. I know it's in my room somewhere, So I got tired of hearing that. So I decided I was going to help her. So she's been grounded, so she's in big trouble. But this is going to be her one big birthday gift. I organized her room, so that's going to be very cool. So here we go. I'm getting ready to show you. Okay, so this is Emily's room now after I cleaned it and organized it. She likes music and she likes the movies, so and these clouds were already on the ceiling, so we just kept them. She really liked them. Here is she has a lot of clothes and she only washes a few loads at a time, and it's been really cold, so our laundry room was added onto a extra room that was added on, and it doesn't have insulation yet. So our pipes freeze and we're not able to use our washer and dryer if it's colder than like 40 degrees. And it has been that for like 3 weeks, other than one day. So we were able to do laundry one day. So we hurried up and did like the most important things. But, so she has like a microphone, and on her door, obviously it says, I love music. Super cute. Here's one of like her little Victoria's Secret robe she got for Christmas, and she got the matching house shoes. She got a little heater in here because sometimes it gets chilly. She's got a little clock that kind of matches everything, but she's wanting to change it now. We've had this since we moved in this house. These decorations. There's her and her friend Katie. Look how cute. They were young here. Probably like 8th grade, maybe 8th grade, I think, maybe 9th. But, so this is her cute little, like, vanity. It's old. We live in an old farmhouse, so we kind of went with that theme. And she had to keep her Uggs box down there. But, here's her cute little room. That's her and Katie. And she's got a little chair here. And I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but she has 5,000 lip glosses. Check it out. These are all the lip glosses I found while cleaning. Look at this. Insane. So I told her she was not allowed to buy lip glosses or sweatshirts for the next year, basically, because she has so much. And I got her this. I need to put it up, but she said she wanted to do it, but it's obviously not gotten done. Anyways, so I folded all of her, like, this is some of her pajamas and t-shirts and stuff, her jeans. I put some stuff up top, her hoodies, sweatshirts, things like that. In the left bucket, there's body sprays. In the right bucket is sunglasses and I think some other body sprays from Victoria's Secret. And then she's got her little silver shiny boots. And then her little Nike, like, house shoes. She's got her little suitcase here. And I think, as you can tell, it looks like it has stuff in it. I did not empty it yet, but I will, so we can put it away. And then, here's her shoes. Obviously, she put these away. She got them out and then couldn't get them back in there. So she just shoved them in there, but we'll fix that. Anyways, this is her little closet. It's teeny tiny. And her records. She has a record player that she got for Christmas. Not last year, but the year before. So we use that. There's her little dresser. We've got stuff back here. She's got, you know how for Christmas people always get you like fuzzy socks? I went through and got rid of about 30 pairs that were old that she'd had for years. And then in this drawer or basket is like craft stuff and her circle stuff. And then she's got little stuffed animals, and I found this. She had bought it when she went out of town, called Turkish Delights, and I was like, are those even still going to be good? They were in a duffel bag, stuffed away. So I folded all her clothes so she's able to get into her dresser now. Here's her cute little rug. Here's her record player. And she got this sticker for her car. Great Smoky Mountains in Tennessee. We were there. So she'll be doing that. And she loves Chucky. So I got her this for her boo basket at Halloween. And she got this little doggy for Valentine's Day from her dad last year. So I just set it out because I thought it was pretty cute. And I got her this Pucker Up. So I just set it back out since Valentine's Day is coming around. And then she's got like movie night up here. Let's all go to the movies, because she just thought that was cool. So she just kind of put that stuff together. And then this says, music is not to hear, it is to feel, because we love music so much. And then she had this table. It wasn't messed up. It was just dusty. So I had her dust it real good. And these are her dirty clothes, obviously, but then she's got these bags and stuff. But at least she can get in and check this out. I did all of this. She had maybe like 3 items put in here. And as I was cleaning her room, I put all this up. So this is why it took me so long too, because I had to go through and put all of her stuff away. She loves bracelets and earrings, and she's an only child, so you know, she gets a little extra for her birthdays and Christmas and Valentine's Days. And she doesn't know what to do with all of it, so I decided to help her. This has a bunch of like face mask stuff in it, and when she takes a shower, it has a shower wrap thing and a head wrap, and then it's got like nail stuff in here and just little stuff, girl stuff. But look at this, how cute. It's the first time I put her bed together, and she's got her little balloon animal that we got her for Christmas. She got her little pillow that she made. She actually sewed that with her jersey from softball one year, and her number was 22, just like my basketball number. And her dad and I had got her this avocado toast one time when we went somewhere, and we just wanted to get it for her. And then she had got that orange flower that they're sitting on somewhere, and we just, you know. And then she had won this award, I think her freshman year, the music award because she was doing show choir and color guard, which is flag corps. And she's got this little chair set. And then she's got this chair, which is nice. And obviously she's been in here because look here. She's always, you know, kids. She's a kid. She's not going to pick up after herself. So I come in here every day now, and I don't want it to get bad again. So I come in here every day now and just try to help her organize and clean. And every night before she goes to bed, we come in here and put things away and make sure she didn't make a mess. So hopefully we will help her keep it organized. She's just not the best at that. So I made her vacuum the carpet because it was really bad. Had her go through all of this beauty stuff. So I did have her help some. I had her clean this table, like dust it off and everything. It needed dusted. And we went through stuffed animals. We went through her clothes, all of her clothes in her drawers, to get rid of some stuff, you know, just to make room for life. So, and then she got a new ceiling fan too. My brother had helped put it in one day. He came and helped us put in some ceiling fans, so that's pretty cool. And my sister Kim gave her this mirror, which is really nice to put her jewelry in. So we're just so thankful for family and friends giving us stuff and helping us out, because we are a one-income family, so sometimes, you know, we need a little help. Everybody does. So we'll just thank the Lord for all our blessings. She's got a couple robes, and this is, I got her this little mummy. We had went to Camden Park. I got her and her friend Katie one when we went to Camden Park together. That was pretty cool. But yeah, so now her room is clean, and she can get in here and find her shoes, her clothes, her pajamas. And Chad's mom's sister had made this cute little dog, had quilted that. Look at that, isn't that cute? And so she gave that to Emily a few years ago. So anyways, I hope you like it. I hope you had a good time enjoying her room, and pray that I can help keep it clean, help her keep it clean. And it just looks so much better. I'm just happy that she can get in here and move around and dance or sing, or, you know, look in her mirror and look and see what her clothes look like. And just so thankful. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day.